Previously on Ready to Die.
Never had a lot, this is all I need. People never care till it's RIP. Niggas turn their back on me for no good reason. Loyalty is priceless and it's all I need. Can't burn a bridge just to light my way. Lot of 42 on the flights I'm taking. Pouring out my soul and it might sound crazy. Lot of falling outs help me build foundation. Never had a lot, this is all I need. People never care till it's RIP. Niggas turn their back on me for no good reason. Never had a lot, this is all I need. Lost individuals is all I see. Grab the top spot like part of my reach. Woke up one day and it was all on me. If it comes down, it's gon' fall on me. Lot of 42 on the flights I'm taking. Long way down from the heights I'm chasing. Just touched down, I was lights out in Vegas. Girls checking in cause my lifestyle dangerous. Hard to tell people that I'm all out of favors. Call me for songs or they call me for paper. Turning off my phone for the night now, baby. Pouring out my soul and it might sound crazy. Some of my niggas don't love me. We should sit down before shit turns ugly. We should sit down since you said things about me. Never had a lot, this is all I need. People never care till it's RIP. Niggas turn their back on me for no good reason. Loyalty is priceless and it's all I need. Can't burn a bridge just to light my way. Lot of 42 on the flights I'm taking. Pouring out my soul and it might sound crazy. Lot of falling outs help me build foundation. Never had a lot, this is all I need. People never care till it's RIP. Niggas turn their back on me for no good reason.
Niggas wanted to kill me and y'all still with them. Nigga, y'all chill with them. And y'all wonder why we not friends. Best thing I could do is not build with you. When I could destroy you, that takes some fucking discipline. I could send a team to come drill you. I got $1 billion or 2, and I know where the fuck you live. Niggas gotta chill with talking gangster. You should just thank us. Humble yourselves a little bit. This ain't the same Sean that you knew once. I don't shine shoes, this ain't what you want, no. All that back and forth on the internet. Nigga, we don't tennis that. Y'all gotta do something, yeah. Only thing we respect now is violence. Anything besides this, we playing violence, I'm public enemy. Niggas want to kill me and y'all want me to be friendly. Niggas want sympathy after they want to end me. Be those closest to it, be the very ones to envy. Shout out to the family. I don't want no friends no more, not many understand me. Everybody wants something. You know the price of everything, but the value of nothing. With everybody, it's something. You know the price of everything, but the value.
Never had a lot, nothing. This is all I need. People never care till it's RIP. Niggas turn their back on me for no good reason. Loyalty is priceless and it's all I need. Can't burn a bridge just to light my way. Lot of 42 on the flights I'm taking. Pouring out my soul and it might sound crazy. Lot of falling outs help me build foundation. Never had a lot, this is all I need. People never care till it's RIP. Niggas turn their back on me for no good reason.
What up, Chad?
Like what? Yeah. 6666666. Bow. Yeah. Favi, Sosa, viral, movie. I'm in this bitch with the wooski. Ball in the summer like Drew League. Champagne got me loopy. Glizzy Bob looking groovy. All the demons looking moody.
All the demons looking moody.
Skirt round there in your ends. Host outside on 10. Not like them. Make man lean out bends. That's how man get blem. You and your friends. This Hermes from Runway. This ain't Ralph Lauren. Tell them again. Loved her way back when. Drunk so I type your 10. But don't hit send. Send some bread to the pen. All my G's are blessed. We checking for them.
What up, chat? What's going on?
TD Bank is on what? My TD Bank is on Kylie. Tribeca in the lobby. All these niggas getting dodgy. When we see them, it's a body. Favi, Sosa, viral, movie. I'm in this bitch with the wooski. Ball in the summer like Drew.
Morning, chat. Down late today? Nah, man, we're not late. We're not late. We're not late. There's no opportunities there. Oh shit, right. This is gold fake over here. Okay. What do you got going on today? Let's see, chat. You have why is it so bright? You have nothing today. You have 8 a.m. You have 8:30 USD unemployment. Yeah, I guess you have unemployment claims at 8:30. That sucks. They're expecting good numbers for a dollar, so therefore gold should continue down. But let's see what happens. Yeah, that's all you have. You have 8:30 news, and then you have 9:30. It's irrelevant. We won't be on until then probably. But yeah, all we gotta worry about is just this 8 a.m. news yellow folder speech. So yeah, at that point, and then you have 8:30. Yeah, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, and you have unemployment claims, which they're expecting positive numbers for the US dollar. So that should be interesting. Well, other than that, moving on to the analysis here, the analysis that we usually do every morning. Let's take a look at GJ and Gold real quick. So GJ here for the weekly shows that we are bullish. This is discussed earlier this week. Looks like it broke the range or broke above that week candle high. Technically, it should continue up towards like 155, 980 for the week. That's my target for the week. The day time frame shows that we are bearish. However, we actually closed bearish yesterday, but it's even though we closed bearish, it's very key to understand where we closed bearish at. If you look left there's support right here. Right, look at this. You have this right here. Oh shit, the zoom call's not even on yet. Sorry. Yikes, chat. Not good. No worries. Just add them onto the Zoom call now. Discord. Boom, boom. Announcements channel. Boom. We live. Mod channel. Boom, boom. Cool. All right. So if you look left there, right? Going back to what I was saying, like we closed bearish yesterday. But if you look left, it's very key to understand how and where we closed bearish at. So looking left there, if you look at this, price has been rejecting this level many times here. Never closed below, struggle to close below. Here as well, struggle to close above the range. So this now creates a resistance area. So even though we closed bearish here, we still closed bearish respecting the support. So today, price may still reject that level of support to continue up. Again, you don't know if it rejects till you see on a small time frame, or two, we break the highs on the day time frame. The highs of the day time frame is gonna be right here at 154.750. So if we break the highs and we're officially bullish. However, if we have a range to breakout for buys on GJ, I wouldn't be fine. I would be fine taking those. I wouldn't really sorry, I don't know whose bucket that was. Yeah, I wouldn't mind taking those if we get a range to breakout on GJ today. So drop down to the small time frame. You guys are asking where I'm looking for buys at. Probably in this case today, probably gonna wait for closures on GJ. If you get a closure above 154.245, so anywhere above this resistance here would take us up towards the next resistance. The next resistance is gonna be somewhere up here at the 154.630 mark. So the range going up, chat, is, let's see, above that area, gonna be around 32 pip range going up. But yeah, sells, since technically we're bearish technically, sells will probably be below, let's see, I'm trying to figure it out, because below here the range going down is 25 pips, which is not bad. Then below here you have clean traffic until I guess like around these areas here. That'll be around, I think it's a 4 pip range going down. Yeah, it's a 4 pip range going down. But yeah, I think sells will be below, let's take this out for now, we don't gotta worry about that. Sells probably below 153, 820, 828 here ish, 840 ish, around there. Probably we're gonna wait for a close below and then execute on the sells going down. However, if you look left there's a minor support right here, right around here. If you look left there, minor support right around there. I believe from below this support to that support, it's around 9-10 pips. So you can probably take advantage of that range there. So like same thing we did yesterday, going back to the whole taking advantage thing. Like we know that the whole range coming down is gonna be 24 pips here. However, coming down to next near support, you have a nice 9 pip range, which you could take advantage of by moving yourself to break even once you tap that level of support, or two, closing half of your positions once you come down to that support level. But yeah, chat. That's it for now on GJ here. But yeah, closures above or closures below here is a range to breakout. So in this situation, it's going back to what we said yesterday. about how this may confuse you on range 2 breakout days because you have technically buys above here and sells below here. So it may confuse you, but that's just how things are set up for us today when it comes to the range 1, range 2 thing. So that's that. Moving on to gold here. Gold shows that the weekly shows that we are bullish. The weekly shows that we have a high chance to continue up towards the next weekly resistance, which we kind of tapped already, but overall we can still continue up for a day towards like what is this, 1904 mark. So let me just change this real quick. Yeah, so we can still continue up towards 1900 marks this week, obviously, but I think for that to happen, oh well, I was gonna say we need to close bullish on the daily, but the day tavern did close bullish here. That's interesting. You have a resistance here, however, but we still close bullish here. And if you look left here, there's a resistance here, there's support here. This is the range we had, and we closed above. So if you end up if you end up respecting the previous count lows, which is down here, the previous count day low, which is yesterday's day count low, not this one, then you have a high chance that price may drive up towards the next resistance, which is going to be somewhere around, for now, 1890 mark. But again, I think buys for me would be going down to a small time frame and see what we have going on. I believe that'll probably be if we were to let's see, let's do my analysis. Resistance here, so those are the general buys you probably want. Those are the more simpler buys. However, if you want to catch a piece of this range that we're in right now, you have kind of like a fake out going on here in the 1 hour time frame here, or you can say like there's a resistance right here. So I'll say, yeah, I'll say closures above here would be my buys strat. Above 1863, if you had closure above there, I look for buys going up towards 1870. Range going up above that range is going to be around a 60 pip range. And if you want to leave runners towards the next daily resistance, then let's see, we gotta worry about this resistance next at 1874 from above 1870, which is a 40 pip range going up. And above that area, then you have cleaner traffic, I believe. Looking left here, let's see what we got. Cool, you have until 1880 or 1877. So these ranges aren't bad, chat. Definitely not bad at all. And then above there, you have range still here. So you see how we're just breaking it down range by range. We're not like, even though we have the weekly resistance at like 1890, we're not completely targeting that resistance just yet. Even though we have that target in the back of our heads, we're just targeting the next nearest minor level of resistance or major level of resistance possible. And these are the zones that I have marked up right now. So yeah, bias for me would be above here, closure. Probably need a closure, and then once you get the closure, or even like a starter play here, because the 1 hour did close bullish here. If you look at the 1 hour as well, if you pay closely attention to the 1 hour time frame, you have resistance here. And if I'm right, this is a fake out here. So since we closed back into the range here, price has a high chance to drive up towards the top of the range, which is at 1870. Again, range going up as a 70 pip range going up, tap that level of resistance. So if the 1 hour shows that, you could actually attempt the starter play on a 30-minute time frame as you break that high there. So, or two, you wait for a closure. It's up to you, whatever you prefer. But the 4 candle does show that we are bearish. However, we did reject off a minor level support here. Looking left on the 4 hour time frame, we reject off of the support level. And then if you drop up to the daily, day is flipping bullish. Again, this could be a lower wick for the day time frame to drive up towards the next resistance, and it could look something like this today. Who knows? Who knows, chat? This could happen today, right? So if that's the lower wick, then you can see on a small time frame. The 30-minute time frame does show that you have some room going up today. So, or the 1 hour time frame. So not bad. Let's see. I'm not gonna have any buy stops just yet. I'll let you guys know if I do have the buy stops for the 30-minute starter play. But for now, I'm gonna look to wait for a closure. But let's see. I might consider a starter play here. It's definitely not bad with the 1 hour closing back into the range already. All right. 1 hour stops are what though? Let's see. 1 hour stops are 169 or 16 pips. What am I saying? 169 points, 16 pips, and then the overall buy stops, the 1 hour low stop loss is 36 pips. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Not bad. Or even the starter play alone, current counter stops in the 1 hour time frame would be 20 pips. So not bad, chat. Not bad. Not bad. All right. I might attempt something here, but preferably I prefer a closure. But starter play wouldn't be that bad. Wouldn't be that bad in this case. What's your bias on GJ? Brother, I literally just gave a 10-minute analysis on GJ and gold. Both of them. Zoom password. There's no password, bro. Yeah, Wix, just I think just maybe delete the Zoom or close the Zoom browser and then reopen it.
Big brain, big brain.
Yeah. Nice haircut. I didn't get a haircut, chat. This is I woke up like this, man. I woke up like this. Woke up like this. What up, Wix? How do you feel about this 30-minute start play here? I'm looking at it. I might place a buy stop here very soon.
I think
because the 1 hour time frame closed bullish above the range fake out already. So 30-minute start play on top of that. You know what I'm saying? Or kind of reflipping, breaking the highs, rejecting off that support level, looking left. Daytime for flipping bullish.
Go to the hourly.
Yeah, the hourly closed back into the range.
Yeah, this I have it marked up like this.
Yeah, that's how yep, exactly.
So that's what I was gonna say. I think we just missed that entry on the hourly.
Well, I wasn't gonna enter an hourly. I was gonna enter a 1 hour start play. That's what I'm about to do here. Yeah. Sorry, 30-minute start play. Yeah, buy stops 30-minute start play. Yeah. Because the 1 hour leads up to that. The 1 hour shows that we close back inside the range already. So if you have an extra 30-minute start play on top of that, it's kind of like you're using current count stops. That's the worst thing you do in that case. And the 4 hour candle is re-breaking the highs. And look where the 4 hour candle closed last at that support level.
For spread.
I don't have a play. I'm placing it right now. 18,764.56.
5.6.
Yeah.
No spread.
Nope. 1864.56. Actually, a little bit. Maybe 1864.64. There we go. So yeah, chat. I got a buy stop here, chat. So let me explain the trade real quick. I already did explain the trade, but let me write it out. Buy stops. Can I run like a what? Three winning streak right now, or 2 winning streak, right? I think it's 2 winning streak. Back to back days.
Yeah.
It's not Jenks that.
I'm undefeated, never lost.
Setup type 1 hour close above 1 hour fake out back in range. Entry type start play. Alright, chat. My buy stop is placed on the previous bearish kind of high. This is a starter play. If you don't know what the starter play is, or if you're new here, I'm guessing some of you guys are new here. Do exclamation point starter play or exclamation point salary, and a video should pop up. Stop loss is gonna be the current candle low, so it's gonna be this low right around here. If price were to break that low, then price maybe just reject to continue down. And then TP is gonna be up here at 1870. So we're trying to catch this whole piece right here in this range, right? Thanks, mods. Thanks everyone for doing exclamation point start play. I hate how this is like. I hate this. I make it so that it's like it's left, but it's not too left. This is just so annoying. The center one looks off, but I mean, whatever. I'll leave it. Or I can do this. No, I can't. That's tough. Fuck it, whatever. It's good, right, chat? You guys understand it. Where's Reza? I'm worried. Reza. Rizzo, where are you, brother? Trades taken. That was yesterday, Chad. Let me take that off my screen. Trades taken on stream last night during the New York session live stream. Trades called. Boom, boom. Today's focus. Cool. It's perfect already. We have no focus today. Just GJ and gold straight up. I'll wait for account closure. If you want to wait for account closure, you can wait for account closure. The last 2 days we're waiting for account closure on a trade. This is just a different setup. This is a start play. So we already got the 1 hour account closure. We already had that closure for me. It comes down to just waiting for a 30-minute start play for entry type.
Ask and you shall receive, brother. How are you?
What's going on, man?
Thanks for being worried about me, man.
No worries.
I knew you loved me deep down.
Always.
Shout out, Don. Yeah, I've just been getting on later because it's midterm season. You should, well, like exams.
It's all good.
Baby, too vexed now. Only see me on the TV or the bed now. When a touch not enough, you want more than a fuck. Thinking twice on the one, but you just need to trust. You're only looking for attention. You only notice it 'cause I'm never. You're only looking for attention.
It's so hot in Toronto right now. It's 9 degrees. I'm fucking sweating, man. I had to open up the window. The heater's on. You're down. Did you go to college? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. How you guys been, man? Let me just get the vibes going on. My bad. It's a little slow start today, but it's gonna take me a minute. It's just an overall slow day today, you know? How you guys doing? I need a haircut. Oh, man. Maybe next week. Okay, I got a haircut last week. My hair grows up so quick. The weather's so bipolar. I know, man. Yo, you guys see what happened in Vancouver? Just the whole city started flooding. Oh, not the whole city. Some parts of Vancouver started flooding. Apparently, there's no way to drive to Vancouver right now because all the roads are closed and all the roads are full of rain and water and flooded. Praise the Lord. That song only works when Wickstein requests it, man. We figured it out yesterday.
Yeah, it's a little early for that.
Yo, Wickstein, if you're real, you'll break down to Praise the Lord and send it in the group in the Discord channel. He said,
Ooh, look at this close we got on the 15.
Oh yes, sir.
GJ.
Oh, lovely. Oh, GJ. Ew. No, you're talking about gold. The gold closure was nice.
The gold opening is nice. Yeah, gold closed within range, and now it's opening beautifully. GJ, I also have I just closed back within range. It's on a short day.
Oh yeah, I think we're bearish.
So yeah, we're bearish. So we just closed bearish below. Right, I think it's gonna drive down to 153.7 here.
Yeah, it should.
I would have rather taken this because it's already active.
Oh well, yeah, we're probably in right now. It's alright. Yeah, it's a 13-pip range going down. It should come down towards 153.875 here. Alright, chat. Can we break the highs here? Chat, don't try to be a hero. Don't try to jump the gun early. Wait until we actually break the highs. The trade is not valid until we actually break the highs. If price flips here, the trade was never active. Alright, so you shouldn't be in right now until we actually break those highs. Unless you've gone off of your own entry, which is different. But for me, this is what I'm waiting for. And then managing risk in a winning situation, I'm gonna probably move my stops to break even as you tap. Let's see, around this level here, somewhere around here, the 1865 mark, 0.3229, and then at 10 pips, probably gonna close half at 10 pips, which is around here, and let it run go until 1870. And in a losing situation, I'm probably gonna manage risk by waiting for this third mid candle closer. If we close back below the support here, or back below like 862, then I'm probably gonna delete, or probably gonna close half my positions or close full. Haven't figured that out yet, but that's how I'm gonna manage positions in this case. But if we look left there, each and every time we have closed back into the range here, like close back into the range, right? We're able to drive up towards the next resistance, which is somewhere around here. So if he closes in 10 minutes, that'll be a cherry on top of the trade here, because this trade already has a lot of cherries on top. It has the weekly showing that we're bullish. It has the day time for showing that we're bullish as well after creating a bottom wick on the current candle. The 4-hour shows that we are flipping bullish, we're breaking the 4 highs. The 1 hour shows that we close back into the range. If I draw my line right here, this is a fake out that occurred. The 30 minute shows that we have a 30 minute start play if that gets activated for us, and the 15 minute shows that we have closed back into the range on the 15. So everything kind of makes sense here for me to take a position. I can write an essay on this trade if I want to. If you can't write an essay in your trades chat, you shouldn't be trading that situation. Or that entry type, sub type.
I didn't take GJ. I'm waiting. I got buy stops on gold. Gold's cleaner, but GJ is setting up very similarly. But no, I wouldn't be break even. If I took the trade, I wouldn't be break even. Would you get 6 pips there? 5 pips with spread barely? Yeah.
Wait, went back up? Hit breaks on GJ. It would have hit breaks. Oh, I don't think it hit breaks yet.
No, not yet. I'm saying on the flip.
Oh.
If you got in, you only had like 5 or 6 pips. Not on the break. On the break, you would have had like 3 pips.
I think we missed GJ. Me? No,
We
brother.
didn't miss anything.
We didn't miss anything. Wickstein is just talking about it because it was part of his plan. Maybe he missed it. It was part of his plan, right? But for me, at least, it was never part of my plan to trade GJ. I'm looking for sells below 153.830. So if price were to come down here, which I am expecting to come down, I'm expecting price to drop down towards 153.830 as long as it respects the highs here. If it does drop down, it drives down. But I wouldn't say I missed it because it's not part of my plan to take the position.
Technically, like I always say, you never miss anything. Market's always moving. There's always something you're missing.
Exactly. You're missing something always. You just missed the retracement back up for GJ. The 4 pip retracement. Oh, you just missed that one right there. Oh, you missed that pip right there too. Yo, you missed that pip right there. It's like shit's always moving. You know?
My analysis was just to take GJ down and take gold up, and I think GJ just did it before gold. That's the only thing I mentioned.
Yeah, chat. But think about it this way: like, you don't miss anything if it's not part of your plan. You can't wake up during the live session and see, oh fuck, we moved 200 pips on gold. I missed it. You didn't miss shit, man. You were sleeping. It wasn't part of your plan to take a trade. If you wanted to take a trade, you would have stayed up for it. You would have waited for it. You would have waited for the closures, whatever. Then you would have executed and you would have exited, right? But you can't just wake up middle of the night, see shit fly 200 pips and be like, I missed the trade. And you beat yourself up for it and then get FOMO over that on top of that and then chase out the position, right? That's called the devil. You don't want to do that. So if it's not part of your plan, don't trip. Please hit that never lost out. I don't want to hit it because people are gonna say it.
I'm undefeated, never lost.
You took a loss in November. We took one loss. I took one loss in November so far overall. One loss overall for the whole month. And overall, like maybe eight to 9 trades. I'm almost late to streams, lol. That's tough, brother, because we're late today too. So that means you're extra late. You have no reason to be late. We're late. I lied. I wasn't late. It was my plan to show up at this time. True colors. Yeah. Yeah. Stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
I prefer to miss a planned trade if I play it out, then I know the strategy works for me and I'm just ready next time to hustle. Exactly. Like, that's how it should be, right? Trades taken, 12 wins, 7 losses, 5 break-evens. Nice. That's a pretty good month. Pretty solid month. Above the 500 mark.
Holy shit. A lot of trades.
That was Rob, yeah. Not bad. How daylight savings affects Forex? Nothing. If think about it this way. Just think about it this way. There's four mans working at the NYSE Open. Right? These four dudes here. You have Wix9, you have Marcos, you have Reza, you have Don. Alright, these guys are working at the NYSE Open. Or my bad. The New York Open. They're working at the NY Open. They control that. They open the NY. They open the doors to NY. In New York, it is 8 a.m., right? Their shift starts at 8 a.m. because that's the NY Open. These four guys come to work at 8 a.m. If the time were to change, now for daylight savings, an extra hour ahead, you get an extra hour of sleep. They're still showing up at 8 a.m. Therefore, 8 a.m. is still the same. Nothing changes. It's still going to be the same opening. 8 a.m. is the opening. Does it make sense? They're still going to show up to work at 8.
I mean, yeah, London and Asian changed.
London and Asian change.
Yeah, because we have daylight savings and they don't.
Yeah, they changed already though. That's the thing. They changed a week ahead of us.
Doesn't change.
No, they changed a week ahead of us.
Check London. I'm telling you, I see volume coming in an hour earlier and leaving an hour later. That's the reason we're opening at 7 now. They open. I mean, the broker switchover time is at 7, not at 8 now.
The last Sunday in October. Yeah, they changed and back 1 hour at 2 a.m. on the last Sunday in October. So they changed once in March and they changed one in October. It's just a week. It's just a week before us.
So that's why we had a week of difference. Yeah.
Yeah, a week of difference. Yeah, the week.
But volume, like, dude, volume comes in at 7 p.m. now.
For Asian?
On Asian, yeah, and it's nothing after 9. It was like an 8 to 10 thing. I was trading gold 8 to 10. Now you see the 7 to 9 volume. Wait, no, hold on. How does? I'm pretty sure they don't even have. Does London have daylight savings?
Yeah, they do. They do. They have it a week before us. Search it up. Search up BST.
Oh.
Yeah, lunch is a week first. On the Asian observes daylight savings about time, but London does. That I'm not too sure about. That's probably why it's the same for the Asian. That makes sense then. If Asian doesn't change Wix, right? Then it makes sense to see why Asian's only session that opens up at 7 instead of 8 Eastern.
Yeah, someone's not changing their clocks here. Someone's not doing their due diligence. Some guy in China is like, no, that clock's too far. Fuck it. I gotta climb all the way up there, change the shit out. Back
Maybe tomorrow.
now. Fuck that.
Where you from, my dude? I'm from Toronto, brother. Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Can you tell I'm playing the weekend, man? I only play Canadian artists. Weekend, Drake, Justin Bieber. Ooh, I think we got activated here. I'm pretty sure. Let me check.
Yeah.
Yes, got activated here. It's chat. Got in buys here. Got activated here on the buy stops here. 30 minute counts, but it closed about 46 seconds here. Oh, I didn't peep in the close. I would have held out, wait for a closure, because you have a closure in about 4 seconds here, but it's not good. Got activated here. So chat, got on a buy here as we got activated in the buy stops for a 30 minute start play. 1 hour closure above the range. Stop loss is the current count lows, and TP is up here for around 57 pips. So, or 51 pips. So this is the trade that we're in right now. All right. Again, I talked about managing risk earlier and what I'm gonna do in certain situations. Once the price comes up to tap this resistance here, I'm gonna move my stops to break even, making that a risk-free trade. And then that'll run a go to TP after that. But we'll move stop loss to break even here. Yeah, we should get top wick here. Nice, we got a top wick here. So perfect. You have a 30 minute count closure. You have the 1 hour closure back into the range earlier. This trade now makes this is a cherry on top. 30 minute closure on top of 30 minute start play that we get activated on. If anything, we got a better entry than we would have on the flip here. But if I didn't get on a 30 minute start play, I would simply wait for a bottom wick to be formed there. And once you get the bottom wick to be formed on this current candle, price should be able to drive up towards next resistance like so, as long as it respects the previous candle low. So it's the same stop loss either way. All right. But yeah, chat. Oh, nice. 6 pips on profit here. Let's see. 7 pips on profit. Oh, nice. Can we tap that resistance here? We have no bottom wick here, chat. Stops are not break even yet for me. How about you, Wicks?
No, I'm waiting for 20.
All right, cool. Scammer. Can we get 7 pips? At 7 pips, I'll do it. But we have no bottom wick here, so I'm expecting a bottom wick to be formed here. Nice.
I'm breaking.
Yeah. Chat, gonna move my stops to break even here, making this a risk-free trade. We have no bottom wick in this current candle, but we did tap that minor level resistance. Hard plan. There's no drawdown in this trade here. Let's see if we can just hold to 10 pips here. I'm gonna close half at 10 pips, and that's gonna be around like 186.041. I doubt we're gonna survive real chat because you have no bottom wick here. So if I were you, to make your life easier, to make the trade look a lot nicer, just drop up to the 1 hour time frame. It looks a lot better than a 30 minute time frame because 30 has no bottom wick. But unless you come down, you create a bottom wick and you don't hit the break even mark, which is very, very, very rare because it's like a what? It's a 1 pip difference. So it's either we drive up from here or we never create that bottom wick. Let's see. But if you want to, everyone manages risk differently. Some of you guys may be saying, "Oh, Don, why don't you just not move your stops to break even?" Then you can do that if you want to. But this is part of my plan, and I don't care what anyone else has to say or does. This is my plan. And at the end of the day, if it hits to break even, I'm already accepting the fact that I hit break even, and I'm already accepting the fact that I hit TP. So everything that I did in my end is done, completed. Check. Now it's now just whatever happens in the trade. Now praise the Lord. Oh yeah, Wixon, can you play praise the Lord now? Or not yet?
If you wanna hit break even, go.
All right. I guess I won't play it yet. Fuck, I forgot to send the thing. Whatever. It's all right. I'll owe him something later.
We'll do it on another trade.
Will you re-enter after break even? No, I'll re-enter though on the 1 hour closure. If I hit break even this trade here, I'll enter on the 1 hour closure. I'll enter on this closure here. If we close above this resistance here later on a 1 hour, I'll enter another position going up because I'm expecting the 1 hour candle to drive up towards the next resistance like so. So if I hit break even, just wait for the 1 hour closure in about 30 minutes. That's also gonna be the NYSE or NY Open at 8 AM. Wow, yeah, GJ would hit break even though, so yeah, that's good, right, Wix? Would hit break even there. There's no more FOMO.
I didn't have FOMO either way.
Yeah.
I'm not
Stop
sitting
the
here
cap.
going. I should have taken the damn GJ. Nah. Are we either gonna smack this or we're gonna smack the next trade? I mean, regardless.
I think the next trade will have a lot more life because of 1 hour closure, but I would prefer this, obviously. I don't want to take in their position. I want this to hit TP. Like,
all I'm saying is, like, you know, we're risk free. We have it's like waking up and look, you have a free position and profit right now. Let's just see what happens. And then,
yeah. Can we get 10 pips? I just want to close half my positions to lock in 10 pips here.
Hey, you're already break even. Let it rock for 50 pips.
We're on a roll though. If this says 10 pips, we're on a roll. 3 back-to-back days of 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips.
Yeah, the way GJ came back, this probably
yeah.
came back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Need a bottom wick.
There's no bottom wick here, chat. That's why like I don't have much hope for this runner here. It's no bottom wick here. I mean, the 1 hour looks good. The 4 hour looks good now. Look at the 4 hour time frame. Reject off that support. Looking lovely. Come on. Let me re-break the highs for 10 pips.
Small wick. Small bottom wick on a 5. Let's go.
Nah, we're not gonna get that, bro. We hit break even the spreads. We're 1 pip away from the entry on the flip.
Yeah.
It's okay. What's my TP?
Look at the 1 minute chart.
What's your TP Wix? 1868 or 1869 for you? Oh shit.
I have my TP at 1867.9. 1867.8.
My hands on the trigger, chat. We're almost at 10 pips here. My hands. So here's how I move my stop. I close half on the MT5 on my phone so quick. So right now, I entered in that trade there. What did I enter there? 5 lot on gold. So right now I placed in 2.5 lot for a closure, and now I'm gonna click the close half button, just like that, and boom,
close.
Nice. Chat.
Come on, go up, go up, go up, go up.
Just close half my positions here at 10 plus pips. Gonna leave a runner to TP now. Rich free trade.
Where's your TP?
1869 here.
She's no bottom wick.
She's a runner. She's a track star. Stop the cap. She's a runner. She's a track star.
Chat. 10 plus pips.
Yeah, I got my 10. Oh, it's coming back. I had 18.
Locked it in. Chat. We have no bottom wick here, chat. I would say close minimum we want to do is close 50% here. You want to close something here. This is a high level concern for me right here. No bottom wick. How many pips did that shoot up by for us?
18.
That was 20, 8, 19. That's pretty good.
Oh, break even.
Wait, hold on. I locked in. We were able to lock in 14 pips there. I got 14 because I closed like at the 14 pip mark. Nice. So trades taken. Now we don't got to worry about anything. Hit break even or TP, whatever happens. We wait for the 1 hour closure.
Yo, I was 0.2 pips from hitting break even right here.
What's your exact entry?
1864.71.
Nice.
Where'd you get in?
18. Whoa, what's yours again? 18. Mine's 1870. 1864.71. How about you?
Yeah, that's what I got. 71.
Oh, nice. Yeah, cool. Cool.
It's strange because it wasn't set to 71. I had mine set to like 68 or 60.
Yeah, same earlier, but we got spreads, right? Activate a little later.
And it wasn't spread. It's just the way it moved so fast. Yeah, with spread, that's where it should have activated.
Slippage. There you go. There's the right term.
Half a pip slippage, I don't mind. It's the 60 pip slippages that bother me.
14 pips chats at 7:30 in the morning. Waiting for our closures.
You got 14. I got 14.6 on there. Yep. That's funny. got slipped on closing it too. I pressed close manually at 10 pips, and it went up another 4 pips while it was registering. But if we don't hit our stops in the next 20 minutes, we're gonna be fired.
We're in for a good, yeah, as long as it's respect the 1 hour lows. Unless, bro, the next 30-minute candle creates that bomb wick and then it shoots up for the 8 AM candle. That's when we're fucked. But hey,
right, let's get the weekend in here.
Why not Rocky?
I mean Rocky, ASAP. I mean ASAP. That's what I meant.
Chat, can we hype it up? Chat, I need a W spam for Instagram real quick. Just spam it up. Spam W's in the chat, all right? If you were in this trader.
Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle. Steady taking shots, never hurting them. Even then, y'all don't worry nothing. And I like to give a shout out to my niggas with the game plan.
Thanks, chat. Thank you.
All right. Did the IG, sorry?
Yes, sir. We run to TP now. All on the free live stream. Concord.
I saw. My entry is right below this 30-minute. Like, if this doesn't make a bottom wick,
We should be solid.
good. Yeah.
My entry is, I mean, right where you are. You have the same broker, same entry. We're at the same shit, man. Question is, did you move your stops to 1 pip in profit for commissions?
Yes, I did.
Oh, fuck.
Yes, I did.
What's the point though? Because like you won't see red though, because you close half, right? You won't see red.
But yesterday it slipped and I saw minus $14.
But like, is that because you have 2 positions open?
No, I said one position I closed at in profit, and the second position I put in yesterday instead of in profit. I put it to break even like you did because I wanted to survive it, and it hit.
But if you had one entry and you close half, you wouldn't and it hit break even, you wouldn't see the negative dollars though, right?
You're right.
That's what I do. I mean, that's what I like.
I can't. No. 2 entries are so much easier to manage
it's you,
when they're open.
It's a lot different.
Like, it's very easy to just click X on one of the entries instead of just going there and clicking half, close half. So that's why I do have 2 half positions.
Wait, the real question is, Reza, did you catch that? Reza's not here, right? He's working?
No, I'm here. Yeah, I caught that, bro. That was crazy. I woke up and then, literally 7 minutes later, I just got on. I'm like, oh, these guys are about to get in position. And 7 minutes later, activated. I closed half and everything. Thanks for the trade, Don.
Of course, man.
I was not even awake to analyze shit, and I'm just like, oh, crazy, sick.
So you didn't know an asses, just.
I didn't know an ass. I literally woke up. I saw you guys are like, buy if this breaks, and then I was still washing my face and shit.
Here we go, 19.
Yo, wait, do you still got runners, brother?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's what I love to hear.
If anything, you should be surprised that I closed half.
I am surprised.
Yeah.
I'm gonna close half a position. It's 1867. And
Closing another half. Nice.
I'm gonna close another half at 1867, about 5 pips. You get 20, and then I'm gonna leave a quarter of my position running till 1870. Like, if we're breaking out of this range, and look at, I don't know what your 4 hour looks like, but the daily is gonna reflip right now on Trader's Domain. So if this daily drives up, it could go all the way to 1877.
Yeah, that's where my target is. I have targets at 1870, 1874, and 1877. Because the day count flips, right? If you were to break the day count highs, oof.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave a quarter position till 1877 if we re-break. Yeah.
I think since I don't have runners all year, I'm just gonna leave it till 1869 and call it from there. Not gonna, you know, try to catch anything more
Call
on
it a
that.
runner.
Just gonna call it a runner, yeah. So just so it's on stream. Cause I know if I go 1877, it won't happen on stream. And I'm gonna run it on stream this year, man, or at least this quarter. In a while.
It's been at least since like July or something.
Yes.
There's been runners.
Yes. Alright, chat. I'm just doing something real quick. What's that? Cool down. How do I make so this thing repeat itself?
What track is this?
Hell by A$AP Rocky. This is from his Long Live album. No, no, sorry. Yeah, Live Love. This is old shit. This is when I grew up to it. Yeah, how I make us with this command? Is Tyler here anywhere? Tyler, are you here by any chance, Tyler? All love, man. I'm trying to see, how do I... I don't know, chat, whatever. Whatever, it's not that important, right? Whatever. I never seen GJ have this bad price action. I mean, it's why I'm avoiding this range here. It's why I wasn't so greedy, or I wasn't really interested in anything in this range here. It's because you have this range here, you have this range here. It's not that clean. I want to close you below 153 here, 830.
Exactly.
I mean, it's not bad, but it's not the cleanest. What
you got a little small support right below that too, but for the wick to fill those wicks below, it's probably like 10 to 12 pips at least.
Yeah. Where's my playlist? We'll do this instead. Here, you guys can see the songs too now. I mean, more than one device trying to play music.
Wait, how?
Pardon?
How can we see the songs now? Is it on YouTube?
Nah, it's gonna be like this, bottom of my screen.
Oh, okay. I was watching Zoom.
Sorry, I'm new here and I want to know about gold markets. Gold market. What's this link here I have? That is my channel. Cool. Gold market, it moves the same as the internet pair. It moves the exact same. It might move in different ranges of different pips, right? But overall, it moves the exact same. Candles are candles, and as long as any pair has candles, during whatever session, you know, they move the exact same. Wait for your closures, wait for your startup plays, wait for your onions, wait for your setups, right? The same exact shit. If I ever go back now, chat, and trade US30, I'll trade the exact same way I trade gold and GJ. The exact same way. Nothing changes. Means buy or sell? Oh, you're asking those type of questions. I thought you were asking more in-depth questions. You asked me if I'm a buy or sell on gold. Go back to the beginning of the stream. You're late, brother. Exclamation point late. Chat. The whole chat spam late, man. Every time someone's late in our chat, I want everyone in the chat to spam late, so they know not to be late. But go back to the beginning of the stream and watch the earlier analysis that I had for GJ and gold.
Everybody point and laugh at the late kid.
Oh, Tyler is here. Yo, Tyler, how did I make? Yo, do you remember how to make us like Nightbot? You can put a timer on messages. I forgot that was night bar, if that was something else. On like the commands where it automatically does it for you.
Oh, at a certain time during the stream?
Well, like the course, for example, or like stuff like what else pops up? Course pops up, the list of commands pop up, but I'm not sure like how I put it so that it just automatically does it. I mean, it's not that important, but please play Water by RP Young Dolph, bro. I never listened to him, not gonna lie.
R.I.P.
I didn't listen to Young Dolph, but RP.
Yeah, I don't know who he is. I know he passed away.
I know who he was. Like I heard his songs, but like I wasn't like a hardcore listener or anything.
Not bad.
Nice.
Give me the bag.
Bro, I hate Apple Music's web thing. Man, I'm using Spotify for this.
If Paul ain't donating on this win, his girl definitely saw his statements.
Yo, that was Paul in the Discord chat who was like, I passed 3 tests in the last 3 days.
Yeah, I think he's at like 300,000.
That's fucking insane. Good for him.
Night boss, nice.
I mean, just do the pay for 3 challenges and take the same trade on all of them.
I know. Yeah, I'm calling it. You, like Wix and Don are gonna get a funded account eventually.
Why?
Just free money.
They want to see us take the funded company for all their shit.
Yeah. You literally like think about it. You're getting a 25% increase in capital every 3 months.
Seems like a lot of work.
I don't think so. You just hook it up to your own account and just keep doing what you're doing, and then all of a sudden your money just triples.
Maybe one day.
I'm calling it.
I'm open to it. I mean, I'm not.
They're saying you can just link that account to your real account and trade on your real account and just have that somewhere in the back. Because I can't fucking deal with servers being down every other day. You know, all this shit. Like,
personally, that's never happened to me.
I hear people like, look at what's his name, Nathan, and he hasn't been able to get his account for like weeks already. He's just paper trading.
That's great. That's cool.
Like, yeah, I've seen on Discord, he's like, oh, paper trade. I'm like, where the fuck is the account, yo?
Yeah, like that happened to me too. There's a little bit of a delay, but that won't matter to you guys, right? Because you're trading your own account either way. So like, you have to wait like 5 days for the real thing to come in.
But that's what I'm saying. If I can just trade my account and have that be linked up somewhere in the back, fine. But if I got to trade their account and link mine.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
Hey, Wix, man the hour. Man the hour.
And take the trade, but don't trade. I know
chat,
you didn't take the trade.
I don't want the chat to pressure Paul to donate, bro. Chat, don't pressure Paul to donate. He doesn't have to donate. All right, I don't want
That's crazy, bro.
But hey, yo, appreciate the time.
That's crazy, bro. Leave him alone.
Paul is the real GOAT.
Paul is the real GOAT. Appreciate it, Paul.
When I get a big house and a farm and I'm gonna buy a goat, I'm gonna name it Paul.
You know what? I'm gonna name a trade after Paul one day. A trade setup after Paul. Just call it Paul. This is the Paul play.
Paul play. That's a nice ring to it.
This is the LeBerry.
I called Marcus yesterday. I'm like, yo, Marcus, did you or I text him like, yo, Marcus, did you catch the trade? He goes, deleted the order when it closed bearish. Nice dub though. Immaculate vibes. Where are you, Marcos? That's the real question. Come on, stream.
He's fucking sleeping on his Gucci pillows.
No. He spammed W earlier. I saw it. He spammed earlier.
Did he?
Yeah. Are you coming to stream?
I am so excited for this week to be over.
Barry.
Onion started playing the berry. Yes, sir. The berry? Yeah. Ty, I did it right. Thank you, man. I forgot to mention earlier. I figured it's at the bottom. I'm blind, bro. It's at the bottom. Marcus passed out social amenities.
Trade needs to do something. It's keeping me away from other trades.
Hey, mods. Get him out of here.
Wagwan, my youth. Marcos does pips.
No free promo. No free promo. GJ dropping? Yes, sir. Coming down. It should come down towards 153, 830 here. Should come down. Chat, we got runners here. I forgot. We have positions open still. Marco says 10 minutes he'll come. Word.
What's GJ doing?
GJ, it's back to where it was earlier. It's just kind of at the bottom again. It reflipped bearish, but I mean.
You actually killed me, bro. You actually killed me.
Pardon?
You kill me, bro.
Why?
Because you're just like flipping around and you're like, oh, we're in a position I forgot. Meanwhile, I like don't blink while I'm in a position. I'm just staring.
Remember yesterday when I entered that position, I was worried about a song, a Travis Scott song. I wasn't even worried about the actual position. The whole hour, I know you were sweating. You were sweating that whole hour when we were in draw. You're like, 50 years of the close. I don't know. I was just like, oh, nice. 30 minute close bearish. Simple. Reset the support. Stay calm. Stay
I'm not even in the same room as the position.
Well, now that it's breaking, it's easier. That's like, yo, you shouldn't worry about this Rosette, right?
I'm roaming the world right now.
Yeah.
I'm roaming the wild. Man. If you were here, Don, I'd throw you in the pool.
Bro, I'm too heavy, bro.
You ain't too heavy. I bench you. You're like 150, 160.
Yeah. What about it?
Yeah. Not heavy.
Wait, Wix, how much do you bench? I feel like I asked you this like 2 days ago.
I don't know. I don't have a PR. I don't have a.
Like, no, but like, what's your working?
I've never come into the gym and be like, let's lift the highest I can ever lift and see what happens.
No, I know, but like what? You go like 5 reps? You go for 5 reps, 8 reps, 10 reps.
I do a bench. I'll work my way up to 100 and
how many plates?
150. So 245s. No, a 45 on each side, a 25 on each side, and a 10.
Yeah, that's pretty good. How many reps do you go for?
8 to 10.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Like
I'll do about 5 sets. So I'll build it up. I'll start with the 25s, then I'll go to 35s, 45s.
Yeah, so you're not even fresh when you're hitting your max sets.
Yeah, exactly. I don't come in and just start banging shit. I slowly work myself. I get the blood flow going, and like before I do that, like I do at least 15-20 minutes of stretching every day too. Like. And I try to get my blood flowing. I'll do like a Stairmaster for 5 minutes at like a high rate before I start working out. Just to, once blood is flowing, it's very easy to get a pump.
I think I've stepped on a Stairmaster in like 6 years.
But people are like, yo, you're doing like, what are you doing? You're doing cardio? I don't do cardio. You just need to get blood flow going to the muscle groups, and then once you're really doing intense workouts and heavy weights, you see crazy pump.
Yo, is Alex here today? Alex, are you here? I checked the fitness chat for the Discord. Alex had that wall mounted machine.
Oh, it's I really want to get that, the tonal.
Yeah,
tonal.
There's a couple different, there's like similar products.
No, this is the only one that's got the arms and the digital weights and the pulls and all the shit.
Does it have like can you like deadlift with it? Does it have like a bottom platform?
Yeah, so the arms, you could put them down so the rope comes from the bottom, and you could do everything with it from what I looked at. It's just the only thing is it's 200 pounds resistance, so that's the max. But even at 200 pounds, that's way more than like 90% of the population can do. And it's not, like cable weights are not fucking weights. It's different. So
yeah, but like you can't like max deadlift and shit on that. Like, just depends on the lift, right?
it's cool because you can manipulate the weight. Let's say you're done and you can't lift high, you can manipulate it off the handle. So you can like drop 5 pounds as in you're in the middle of it. It's like basically getting someone to spot you.
Yeah.
You can drop the weight as you're lifting, or like, you know, with your thumb or something on the handle. Like, there's a lot of dope shit about it.
Is it so it's 100 pounds per handle?
I don't know exactly how it works. I have no idea.
Yeah, I was gonna ask Alex about it. He's been using it for a couple months.
Yeah, like I've seen it. It's dope. You like, it replaces literally everything. A full gym. You just need a bench. But like for me personally, I love the vibes of going to the gym. I love going to the gym, getting to my bench. You know, the music playing loud. I hear people fucking
I'm like
dropping heavy weights. I'm like, yeah, throw that 45 across the gym.
I'm like Allen Iverson, man. That shit way too heavy. Yo,
practice?
No, he's
talking about practice.
What do you say? He's like, yo. So I think they asked him if he lifts. Like, nah, that shit way too heavy. I gotta switch it up.
Allen Iverson's the GOAT. I had it every sneaker, bro. I had the question, the answer 5. Everything.
It's cool because you know what he's doing. Fetish for living.
Like, can't see it on YouTube.
I'm looking for a video. Chat, hey, break even here.
Yeah, hourly's closing in like a minute, 30 seconds, whatever.
It's 8 o'clock. We got a lot of time.
Oh yeah, the hourly count closure here. Let's go. Let's look at the 1 hour count. Yo, chat, we gotta survive this bottom wick here. If we survive the bottom wick here, oh. Is that the wick? If that's the wick, we should be good. If you re-break that low, then we're out the trade probably at break even. But we gotta survive this wick here on an hourly, then we should be good. To be good.
It's gonna be break even.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. No. But chat, if you want another entry here, this is the ADM counter entry. You can enter a trade on a flip this 1 hour counter here.
So, and also.
The chat, it's not bad here. This ain't bad here, chat. This ain't bad here, chat. So we got a break even there, right? But the 1 hour candle closed back inside the range here for a 1 hour candle fake up back into the range. So I would believe that we should be able to drive up towards next resistance, which is up here at 1870. So I'm actually gonna place a buy stop here. So because once you flip it bullish here, we should be able to drive up. So this is our second trade we're in right now. Buy stops not activated yet.
You're counting for spread?
I don't have it placed out on. Fuck, I gotta place something else. Too much going on for me.
Thanks, bro. I couldn't hear myself think.
Too much going on. Too much going on for me. I didn't realize I was playing. Too much going on for me, chat. I'm sorry. I have a young Dolph, but too much going on for me right now. I gotta lock it in. I just have more revive you right now. EP 1870. Oh, 4. Cool. So my buy stop wicks is at 1865.56 on Tradesman.
Yeesh. Homie said fuck spread.
Subtype. One hour closure above range. Entry type. Flip after creating bottom wick. This is our second position here. Before TP is 870. And stop loss is what? Current 1 hour low, so that's gonna be around, or previous 1 hour low, sorry. It's gonna be around a 30 pip stop loss for a TP of 43 pips. 1862.509. Yo, when was the last time you took 2 trades on stream?
It's been a while.
3-4 months. Last time we had a runner.
Oh well, 2 trades on stream.
2 positions.
Yeah.
It had to be like beginning of the year or maybe even last year because
No, it was like a couple months ago. There's no way.
last year we took a whole bunch of them. It was like 2-3 a stream. Before range 1, range 2, we had a whole bunch.
Yep.
Yeah, but if we break this previous hour, I'm deleting this.
Don, in which session should one trade your USD? The sessions that are open for the euro or the US dollar. So euro opens in London and the US dollar opens in New York. So either or. Will we use that stop loss? It will be the previous 1 hour low. So it's gonna be this for now. The previous time 1 hour low for 30 pips. Yeah. I can go half, a little above half risk. So maybe like a 4 lot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm doing a 3 lot.
69 likes. Yo, chat, can we get more likes for the first trade today? 69 likes of 400 people watching? Where's the likes up?
get your like army.
400 people watching for the first trade we took today and 69 likes? Oh, I'm gonna delete that. Yeah, I'm deleting the bio stops, chat. It's no longer valid here. Deleting bio stops. Yo, chat, but
Oh, it's gonna run out.
relax. Yo, chat. If I know those people earlier in that first position were stubborn and didn't move stops to break even, you'd be crying and shitting your pants right now. You'd be crying and shitting your pants right now. Yeah, deleting the buy stops, chat. There's no buys here. Price broke the 1 hour lows. Now it's probably gonna drive down towards next support at 1861 here.
Oh, come on, chat. 9 more. Get to 100.
Beautiful session, yes sir.
And we're at 91 likes. 100. Let's go for 100. $90.
Marquise,
Oh, 94.
Okay.
what's up?
Okay.
96.
What's going on, brother?
96.
Hanging in there.
What's good, Marcos? 99.
100.
101. Shit. Alright. 105 then.
I guess you guys do impulse centers. There's no impulse centers here. Yo, Marcus, did you catch that? Marcus, the muscle shirt, for real, the rib shirt. That's what Marcus got on right now.
What? There's a 3 button all the way
They
up.
said you got the muscle shirt going on right now. That's the muscle shirt. That's the shirt you wear when you try to impress.
I got an Old Navy pajama top on. Y'all tripping. But all my buttons are all the way up. Wix9 knows you go 3 buttons out if you're trying to impress.
Nah, man, take off your shirt. Wix9 takes off the whole shirt. Wix9 doesn't wear shirts.
That chest tat, you let it out if you're trying to impress.
Oh, Alex is here. Alex, how do you like the workout machine? What is it called?
Which one? The one LeBron has?
The one Alex says. I don't know.
The one LeBron sponsored? You know what I'm talking about?
Oh yeah.
The-
It's LeBron has it.
Is that it? Is that it?
Yeah,
That's the one you're talking about?
the one with LeBron. Yeah.
Whoa.
It's nice.
Hold on. This one, right?
Tonal, yeah.
Yo, the comments say, yo, LeBron, don't lie. You don't use this shit.
Stop.
He's getting paid for it. He's not using this. This one. No,
I don't care if he's using it. We've been talking about it for months. He just dropped this commercial like last week. He's late to our party, bro.
Yeah. Yes.
What's it called again?
Tonal. Tonal.
Where is it?
We need an Alex review of that on the fitness channel.
Where is it?
It will be the very last thing he posted.
Nah,
Yeah.
it's not. It was like 2 weeks ago. This one.
Oh yeah.
Everything you've seen me do was made possible by what you don't see. We all have the strength to see what's possible. It's up to us to unlock it.
You see, you
Tone.
can bring the arms down.
Be your
bring them up.
strongest. Everything.
Comment. Yo, where's the comment? He don't use this shit.
Use this shit.
Bro, can't afford this shit.
It's like 3 racks.
Bro, let's see. Bro, these comments are so funny, man.
So funny.
Never. You don't know that? Go watch it on Workout Videos. He posted
He
times where you
don't
see
use
that
this
machine.
shit.
Yo, man. Yeah, bro, he's got paid to advertise it. There's no way he uses this shit. This guy did not use this, man. He just uses. He goes to the regular gym.
No, he don't go to a regular gym. He go inside to his, team gym. He's got
He wakes
professional
up.
trainers in there. There's people literally
Facts.
like making him lift.
Yo,
Yeah.
They
yo.
grab his arm. They're like lift.
Yo.
Literally.
Do you
Yeah.
guys know that meme of LeBron always reading the first page of the book? He doesn't read the book. He's always on the first page of it.
Oh yeah, I've seen that. Yeah.
I've never seen him with a book.
Nah, bro. Every time you see LeBron with a book, he's on the first page. Look, he's on the first page.
Because he's signing the damn thing.
Nah, man. He's always on the first. He's always on the first page, man. Man, LeBron's too funny.
So what's he flipping right there? He's flipping from the first page.
I think someone asked him one day. I'm sure yes. There's a
No
video.
way. I love when like this stuff happens and they like confront them.
LeBron gets asked about book.
I hate how like
Yo, this is when like the teacher asks you like when you're supposed to read a book and you didn't read it, and teachers ask you, yo, so what'd you learn from the book?
Taylor, you want to follow up? Yeah. So you're holding the autobiography of Malcolm X along with Alex Haley. I don't know how far you are into the book, but what's your biggest takeaway so far?
I kind of just started a couple days ago.
Don, stop right clicking, please.
Sorry to have
A
it.
lot of notes over the years. This is my first time actually reading this from start to finish. But just a very, very smart man. Very, very, very smart man. And it's actually,
This mother.
his words in the 60s. And
Somebody lying when they rub their nose during.
That's actually what's going on today.
that's a telltale sign. When they
Wait,
do
hold on. What
this,
did you say?
His
What'd you say?
words in the 60s.
His words in the 60s, bro.
And what's going on is actually what's going on today, still. Him understanding.
Do I pass?
How powerful the Negro can be. He
Bro, what
said
did comments
a lot.
say?
How powerful we are.
I had him off to the comments.
We have to unite.
Gave similar answers on the book report I didn't do in high school. He's a very, very, very smart man. Like he was trying to hit the word count. Bruh, LeBron's funny, man. I love LeBron.
It's so funny.
Yo, people are funny. Trying to hit the word.
It's the toes for me.
Yeah, that's being strong.
His toes are fucked. You guys ever seen his toes? Oh man, those beach LeBron those LeBron 9s are way too tight up, bro.
Them shits go east-west. You got east-west toes.
2020. One eye open.
I don't understand that shit. What was the point of coming out with the book in your hands? You know you ain't reading this shit right now. You changing, taking a shower, going to the, trying to get out of the building. He's holding the fucking book.
The chat. Man. Yo, do you guys watch XQC? Reza NES?
No, what's SQC?
Oh shit, Twitch streamer.
Have you guys been watching Arcane? No.
Oh yeah, I started Money Heist yesterday, by the way. You told me I start that.
Yeah.
I'm halfway through the first episode. I got no patience.
Yeah.
Yo,
the
Arcane?
question is, have you seen Rat Race?
No,
No.
I haven't seen Rat Race.
Yeah. Well, you guys know what Arcane is or no?
Pardon?
You know what Arcane is?
No, what is that?
So League of Legends just dropped a show. It has nothing to do. I mean, it uses the characters, but you don't have to play League to know it. It's
Nerd.
no, it's like, dude, it has 100% on IMDb and like 97% on like Rotten Tomatoes or some shit. It's actually one of the best shows I've seen. It's amazing.
Arcane?
Up the cap.
Marcos would love it, bro. Marcos would love it.
Stop the cap.
Search Arcane, bro. Please. Search Arcane.
Hold on, what's it called? Arcane.
Arcane.
I mean, it has 100% Rotten Tomatoes. You're right. You're right. It does have 100%. Yeah, 100% Rotten Tomatoes.
100. It's fucking phenomenal.
Fuck,
But,
fuck
bro,
Rotten Tomatoes.
I'm not gonna lie.
They-
The moment I see this, I can't watch this, bro. I have no patience for this already.
you,
Bro,
don't watch
the
an-
art
you gotta
is-
like anime. Nah, I like anime, so I'll probably watch it.
This ain't anime.
Yo, Marcos, the story.
It's
actually
animated.
cool. It's amazing.
Looks like
so.
Tekken.
It's Western animation. Oh, actually, isn't League of Legends from China or some shit? Or
Yeah,
Japan?
yeah.
So isn't it just anime technically?
I don't know. 100% Rotten Tomatoes, 9.4 IMDb, 5 out of 5 Common Sense Media, bro. Come on.
What's Naruto got on Rotten Tomatoes?
I don't know. Not as high as this, bro.
Nah, stop the cap.
Uh,
Rotten Tomatoes is an L. If they don't rate it, they rated Eternals like a 40 out of 100. I love Eternals.
I haven't seen it yet.
It's alright. It's not that. I'm not gonna hype it up. It's good. It's not great.
They didn't even rate Naruto. That's crazy. But Taken, I've only seen the second half of Naruto.
How can you rate Naruto? That's just so long.
Can't rate
Like,
SpongeBob.
sections.
Yo, chat, can we get to 115 likes, please? It's just sitting at 113. It's kind of ugly.
115.
The 113 is kind of ugly, you know? Like,
Yo, Mr. Beast, what's your Sakaji issue, man? What's your Sakaji issue, brother? You asked like 2 times. What's going on? Talk to me. Then are you near Hamilton? Hell to no, brother. I'm in the T dot. I'm in Toronto, like in Toronto.
okay, chat, 125.
You just need to go all far. Chat 400 now.
Well, just hold at 125. You know, we can hold it there. It's fine.
Page on
No,
Tokyo
122.
for Money Heist. What about her? Tokyo for Money Heist. What
I
about
want to
her?
know if you're sexually attracted to her, bro.
He ain't read the book yet, Chad. He's on, you know.
I mean, watch the
It
movie.
was-
I know who she is. I watched. I know. I watched the episode. I watched the first episode.
But her words in the 60s. great woman.
No, like, it has to be a nice number. It doesn't have to be even, you know? Like, 128 is nice.
Hey, yeah.
Stop the cap.
Reza asked for an even number that says 125. Let's get an even number.
You gotta
I
be
just took that
rounded
in. That's not an even number,
there.
brother.
See, 130 is fine. 135 is okay. 140 is okay, you know? It's just none of, like, intervals of 5. No. Now we're at 129. It's no good. It's no good. It's ugly.
It was a question, Mr. Beast.
Thanks. I want to see right there. When I see it,
You can't stop thinking.
But
of
when
his
I
pop
was younger, I used to
candle.
trade with my dad because that was the question, Mr. Beast.
yeah.
Oh, when I see a huge kettle, I think of my dad's huge kettle when I was younger. Bro, what the fuck, bro? Jeez.
Yo, shout out chat. Thanks for the 130, bro. Just freeze.
This guy said my dad's huge kettle. What's wrong with you, brother? This is a PG 13 stream. Can you give UGPP a look? You can send me a chart and I'll give a look at it. Yeah. I know you're playing around. What's the questions though?
He didn't have no question. That was it.
He was trying to troll.
Alex, upload a review of your system, man.
Nah,
On the
fuck
finish
that.
stream.
Upload a picture of yourself before tonal and after tonal.
Yeah. Shit.
Is it? If it looks the same, I'm not getting that shit.
Yo, 200 pounds isn't that much. There's like a decent.
How much is that shit?
It's like 4K,
probably
no?
like-
5K?
I was about to say, with installment, that's just probably like 5K.
And then there's a monthly too. You have to pay like
What
membership.
installment? The shit comes to you in a box and you fucking.
It's like- it's
No,
like
they
how-
install it for you. They install it for
Zip
you.
tie it to a wall or something.
No, bro, that shit ripping off.
Yeah, I'm getting some Home Depot Velcro.
Bro,
it's going on a
Wick's
fucking
nice
wall.
ghetto as shit. He said I'm gonna zip tie it.
It's all good.
Oh,
He never
we
loses
used to
sight.
ride. Yeah, we used to ride motorcycles when we were younger. Well, I've been riding my whole life, but one of my boys, he crashed like his first bike, went to a junkyard, and he literally left with like a Yamaha upper, like with Suzuki fairings and like a fucking Honda tail light, and zip tied the whole thing together. The whole bike looked like 4 different bikes, so you could do a lot with zip ties. We used to just call this shit miscellaneous because you don't know what fucking bike that was. But yeah, zip ties can do a lot of things, bro.
Yo, Green Balls, what are you talking about? I thought that was a real Mr. Beast.
Not real Mr. Beast.
What do you mean?
Why is there a real Mr. Beast? Is
thought it
that
was
like a
real one.
known person?
Yeah, man, go watch the videos.
Mr. Beast?
Yeah.
Come on, Forex?
No, search up Mr. Beast.
Stop! I don't even want to look at it. Let me get a picture of like Ron Jeremy or something.
Search up Mr. Beast, bro.
Yo, Marcos, what does your chest stat say? I remember I was in the fitness channel, I saw it, and then I'm like, oh, that's sick, and then I forgot it.
It says toughness comes from the heart.
Yeah, that was sick. That was sick. Are you like religious or like faithful?
No.
No. You just wear the cross for just cause?
My grandma gave it for me. Gave it to me.
Oh, okay. But yeah, that was a sick quote, bro. I like it.
What's that mug say?
Thanks, man. This mug says happy.
Nice.
Anything else, guys?
I want to get a mug with my mug.
Michael's there. So, what are your thoughts on the new on the AirPod Max?
AirPod Max. It's a waste of money.
Why?
Because they got headphone dedicated companies out there.
But Kanye wore it. That's cool.
Marcos, can you be like my mentor for life, bro?
Yes.
Thanks, man. All right. Marcos, what's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is failure.
Okay. What about physical fear?
My biggest physical fear is probably a rat crawling into my mouth in my sleep and laying eggs and killing me. I don't think rats lay eggs, but that's what makes it. That's what makes it so scary. You know that this one scene is engraved in my head from Game of Thrones when they put the rat on his stomach with the bucket and then they light the stomach together. He eats to get away from the fire. He eats his way through his stomach. So now I'm afraid of rats.
Yeah, that's awesome. Specific, bro.
And I watched that when I was like 15 or whatever. So.
Damn. Don, what about you, man? What's your biggest fear? Physical and like non-physical?
Heights. I hate roller coasters.
I fucking hate heights.
And physical is probably fucking spiders, bro. Honestly.
No.
Or snakes.
Height is the physical thing, bro. Marco said like failure as like his deep thing, you know?
I'm not afraid of that.
Deep, right?
I'm afraid of no topics on closures.
Wix, what about you?
Biggest fear? I don't know. Running out of weed.
That's wild.
I would get really upset if I ran out of fucking weed.
Yo, we're at 134, 135. Let's go. What about chat, guys? What are you guys afraid of?
And they're afraid of Don not streaming at 6:30 a.m. already know. The shit
I swear,
that's going crazy. The world goes upside down if Don's not there by 6:30.
I'm not here by 6. No, I'm not. I think at 7 a.m. now at this point.
Oh no, man.
Chat literally has a panic attack as a whole, but in separate locations. But they create this whole ball of energy of panic, and it just I can feel it. I can feel it like when Don's not on stream. I can feel the whole ball of energy from everyone that's panicking. Like, where's Don? It's gathering somewhere, and then I look on Discord, and that's the place where all this energy has gathered.
Alex is afraid of heights too. It's crazy. Bro, the ocean at night. I'm scared of that shit, bro.
Why?
Because like, first of all, like you can just like even if you're just like going for like a regular swim, like all of a sudden you can just get swallowed by a wave or like a fucking there's so much randomness and it's so dark.
Bro, just learn to swim.
I can swim, bro, but it's like, you know, when that shit swallows you, no one can even see you. The ocean at
What
night,
swallows you? Why are you gonna be swallowed by the ocean? Just don't go
no
deep.
fucking way, bro. Like you misstep somewhere, bro. Where like you're just walking and like some random little thing hits you, has like enough poison to kill a
Or
whole
just
city
go
or
to the
some
beach
shit,
when
bro.
there's a lifeguard. Like, you know, heights you can't really do nothing about. Like a lot of places you gotta go to, they have to be high. No one's gonna be like, all right, yo, we're having a meeting 200 yards in the ocean.
Yeah, but like the ocean could wash stuff up from like so far away. Like, you know, there's like random shit that's like extremely poisonous. It's like it's just too much randomness.
Stay away from the ocean.
Yeah, bro. I also, I think it's because like my dad told me a story where he went swimming when he was like around my age with his friends, and one of his friends drowned. Yeah, that probably left an imprint as well. And like they all tried to pull him out, but the waves were just too hard, and the guy just like leaving. They found his body later.
I can see that. My pops told me vampires existed, and I didn't go outside at night till like 10. Till I was like 10 years old. I swear I couldn't go on like a staircase or anything. But I was 10 years old, brother. What the fuck?
Bro, I don't know, bro. My cardio's not that good, you know? Like if I had to survive in the ocean, I'll survive like 15 minutes max. I'll just start drowning at one point, bro. Ocean's scary, man.
You watch Ocean 11?
All I know is we're getting range 2
Closure
breakout.
below here on gold. Yeah, I was on top of that just now too.
Let me get back to my computer.
Sorry, chat. I'm just doing something real quick. Give me like 20 seconds. No, I'm not on Instagram. I'm just thinking. I'm doing something else. Okay.
Is there news? We got news today, don't we?
Yeah, bro, Alex. Yeah, I'm really afraid of roller coasters either. Like, the ocean's scary, man.
I'm going roller coasters. I'd be like, kids, see that big ride? Enjoy. Tell them to tuck you in so you don't fall out.
Dad of
I
the year.
swear, we went to Universal. I didn't go on a single ride with them. They all went. I was like, this turkey's delicious. They have the turkey legs.
What's Gold saying, man? There's no news, right?
Nope. Chat. Wait for his third closer, but you can't take the sells here if you get a closure below 18.59 here. Come down towards like 18.52. It is a range 2 breakout. You do have a range 2 breakout here. I guess you have. I mean, if you mark this up as this is your first range resistance, and then you have a support right here. First range is your second range. So sells will be below 18.59 here, but wait for a 3-minute candle close in 3 minutes here, and then you can see gold dropping down towards like, I don't know, like 1850-ish. So let's see. 1850, 1852. It should be your next target for gold here.
I'd really want a bullish close here and then to break it. Like a 15 celery to go down. Just to find some support and then break it.
Yeah, gold's kind of crazy.
'Cause if we don't find support and break it, we can pull back on the hourly.
So I'm excited for Marcos to go watch Arcane and then come back and be like, wow.
You guys get excited for weird things.
What do you get excited for, Wix?
The joint.
I don't know. I don't get excited for anything. It's just kind of evenly happy. I love the fact that I'm alive and I get a chance to, you know, fuck up my day, you know, in different ways every day, or you know, make it brighter, or you know, or make someone else's day brighter.
And that was deep.
I don't know. I would just wake up in a different state of mind. Some people wake up always angry or irritated or pissed off. I'm happy. I love waking up and going to do things.
No Totwick? Yeah, no Totwick, but
He's like, I think it's the indica you smoke.
Smoking a sativa right now, and the indica is what puts it's the sleepies, and still it depends on the terps, not really indica or sativa or just overall. You know, I get high quality shit, and it has nothing to do with that. My life outlook doesn't depend on the kind of weed I smoke. Sativa in the morning, brave. Why? Sativa's an upper. Sativa is what, you know, it's the happy, euphoric feeling. Indica is the sleepies.
Yeah. Go just dropped 100 pips here in this candle here, and some of you guys are saying, "Yo, Don, you missed it. You missed it. You missed it. You missed it." Wasn't part of the plan, right? So we didn't miss anything. No one missed anything, chat.
What you mean? We missed nothing. We managed risk perfectly.
No, what the cells talking about?
Nathan, what's good? Carter, I have. Bro.
Bro, I called. You're not that guy, pal. You don't have that, right?
Tyreek, mods, you know what to do. I'm playing. But mods,
Tyreek, prove it.
You know what command to do.
Donate. Prove it. Show us your profits, brother.
Nah, you don't gotta do that. No.
I told you, gang members
I'm not taking that route. I'm not taking that route. Not that route.
Time him out, Alex B.
Nice, brother. Nice job, brother.
Time him out.
Told you the TYG. There you go. It's called !TYG. That's what I wanted from chat. The TYG. Cody gang. I told you so. Yo, remember 2 weeks ago when Gold dropped to 1865, then popped up to 1845, and then came up to 1871? I told you that was gonna happen. Like, bro, okay, cool, you told me. I didn't listen. I'm still not gonna listen. You can tell me anything, brother, but at the end of the day, you see what I took today on stream? That's all I care about.
Forex Spider just posted 1830 and there's no spider webs in the message.
Oh wow, that's good. That's a scary sight. He usually posts the webs and messages.
Remember when he came on here? It was like hundreds of spider webs and spiders and.
Speaking about spider webs, like, Spider-Man next month there.
Yeah. I better pay you for some promo, bro.
Bro.
Hey.
Chat, yeah, job disclaimers here. How news come out? Good, I guess. I mean, it's like they expected good numbers, so actual less is good for currency. They expected less for good numbers, but numbers came out positive, so I mean bad. So gold should continue up. Let's see, chat. Let's see. This is interesting now. Tentacles now show that we're bearish though. That's the thing.
Watch us get a fake out.
Fed manufacturing came out like differently, right?
Yeah, it's a mix. But the last folder was Redstone.
Yeah. Like the way I see it, again, like it doesn't really matter because you just do technicals anyway. Like the unemployment didn't come out that much like different than the forecast, but the forecast came out like, decently large amount different than they expected, you know. So I feel like that would like overtake the other one. But I have no proof of concept.
Oh yeah, it's like that. It's a max. Time. Technically, like with the bearish count here, you would expect prices to drive down here once it flips bearish here, but This numbers came out how he came out. I'll probably wait for news to settle down a little bit, chat. So like 8:45, 9 a.m. Waiting for the 4 camera close. You get a position at 9:15 after the top wick. So you're chopped for the most part here.
Why can't this be a pullback for? You know,
it comes down to how the 4 camera closes here. Honestly, 26 minutes left. That's a lot of time. We can drive all the way up here if we want to. Let's see. I know that there's no position chat till like 9:15.
Till 9 a.m.
9 a.m. or after. Going off of what we're waiting for, off our plan, and going off of like the 4 count closure and the concepts behind that. So.
Oh, there we go. Forex spider with some spider webs and some black and white spiders. Yeah. The nostalgia. Is that a real Marcos or a stunt double sitting there? It's Marquise. Yo, how much you drop yesterday, Derry?
Marcos?
I told you it's a stunt double. How much you paying? yo, how much? Marquise, how much you getting paid?
Stunt double. He's on a call probably, bro. Leave him alone.
The NFTs are paying for stunt doubles now.
Funny. Where's Sacramento? Where's that located in the US?
Northern Cali.
So it's not that hot there, is it?
It's hot enough. It's warm.
Fuck, that's
the capital.
Man, that's far from Toronto, man. Darn.
Yeah, it's by Vancouver.
Man, I didn't even know I was muted.
Yeah, you're muted for the longest time.
Bro, I looked up the Devin Booker stats. I was roasting you for the Sacramento comment. I had a couple of good jokes. It's all right. I'll get some more later.
Come back to us. Come back to us when you have more material.
It's messed up.
Chat, I miss Vancouver. Not gonna lie to you guys.
I think Vancouver.
Move there.
No. Like, I went there for a week, but like I seem to memorize every location in Vancouver. I know Vancouver more than Toronto, I think. Like the streets and everything.
You liked it that much, huh?
Nah, I mean I was just in the streets a lot for the time being, but free my mind. Don, do you ever look at DXY due to correlation between gold and strength of the dollar? Yeah, I look at DXY, but it's something that like if a dollar's strong, we see it on gold anyways. Like we see it, like it's already played into gold. Like if DXY shows that we're bearish for a dollar, gold's gonna show that we're bullish. It's like same shit, right? So what people do though is that they see that dollar's going down, like, oh yeah, let me take a buy on gold now. Like that's what people do. That's what you don't want to do, because you're going off of like a DXY, and sometimes like you might see DXY and gold go the same direction sometimes. So yeah, I do, but it's something that I don't really directly look at for positions or anything. I hardly ever actually look at DXY. If I was a fundamental trader, yeah, but not so much. Ooh, GG was pretty nice here. Back into the range. 830. Oh, GG was nice. The daily shows that we're oh yeah, yo, chat, we broke down GG today. We broke down how like we closed bearish on the day time frame, but if we look left here, we closed respecting the support here this morning. If you guys watch the analysis, but since we respect the support, you have a high chance that price may just drive up towards next resistance here. So 155 is the target.
Still need a range to break out.
Well, you got that, I think, right? Oh no, you didn't. You're right.
You got one range. You need a resistance here to drive up to the rest of this range, or you need to drive up to the rest of this range as range 2. We'll take buys above 154 267.
I don't know what it is, man, but I can't take Rez's PJs seriously, bro.
What the?
Bro, Reza, can you?
What's on them?
Camel print PJs, bro.
I know these were a birthday
I'm
present.
sorry, I'm not wearing
Mom.
Gucci PJs, bro.
Mom bought those, 100%.
100%.
Gift.
I've had these for like 6 years.
Yeah, gift as a birthday, 100%. I mean, birthday gift.
That was bad.
Reza hit TP? What the fuck is going on? Don, did you just see Reza do flips and shit? What's he doing over there?
Oh, what is he doing, bro? Hey, it's time to hop off, chat. I'm.
Bro, I banged my tongue. Bro, I saw Wix dancing on his hands. I'm like, damn, I can't even.
Yo, Daydon, how did you learn to trade, or from who? I learned how to trade using the internet, the greatest invention ever. Google's, yes, Google's the internet. Google's. How'd you learn reading and understand the news on how they affect the market? I don't trade like fundamentals no more, but I do keep news in the back of my mind. It's just kind of simple economics. It's like learn to understand, you know, what's going on around the world. Take into consideration how it's affecting the certain pair. How will it affect the pair? How we're correlated to other pairs, and just having it in the back of your mind. For me, at least, that's what I do. I don't trade news directly, so I'm gonna worry about what thing has to say today on a speech at 2 p.m. You know, like it's none of my worries. You have a mentor before? Yeah, I did. I have more of a local mentor though, but like obviously, like what I do now is completely different from the mentor that I had. Completely different, because it's like the first mentor I joined. It's like, oh, cool. You know, you offer
Everybody has that somebody that introduced them to Forex.
Yeah, that was a mentor. But
Yeah,
over
mine
time,
was no mentor. Mine was some random kid that was McLaren trading. He was like, "Yo, look at this."
yeah, McLaren trading. It was I started off with McLaren trading. I tell you that though, chat. McLaren trading was my.
Me three.
Man, chat. My charts look exactly like this. I'll show you how my charts look like. This is my analysis. First of all,
the Fibonacci and the RSI.
Man,
hourly just flipped. That's wild.
First of all, there was no candles back then for me. I was looking at it like this. Oh yeah, bullish trend.
Yeah.
Oh, analysis. Done. That's it. that was it. This is my analysis back then.
2 hour salary.
1 hour just create a topic on gold here. Yeah, gold has been. Chat, did we ever close below the range? Oh, we did.
Gold's chalked. Go to GJ.
Yeah, I mean, gold, you need a range to break up for sales, right, chat? So if you got conscious fake out, that's on you, brother. Because the gold day after close bullish here. So if you attempt to sell here,
you would have needed the daily to break.
Yeah, you think sells, or at least like below the support for range 2 sells, right? 1856. That's the range 2 breakout concept.
Remember what we said on gold 10 minutes ago? I'd rather see it form support.
Yeah.
And then break it than just drive straight down. So we form that support. And if we break this support, then it's higher confirmation that we're going to drive down. But if this support closes back within range, it's your confirmation that the shit is chalked.
Well, you do have volume now. Look at the 4 hour candle. It's going to close bullish.
Yeah, your sell positions are chalked.
Got a huge rejection off the bullish 4 candle.
Which would fall in line with the news as well. Nightbot, do your thing.
Nah, it's not gonna work. Marcos needs to do his thing.
What I gotta do?
Your thing, you know what to do. I went a boring day, chat. I mean, it was great. We took a position earlier this morning, but I feel like for the last hour and a half, we've been fucking around. Not fucking around, but we've just been like kind of off of it. It's like, cause there's nothing we can do. Look at gold. I'm looking at gold, brother. I just broke it down. I said fives would be above 1870. What do you want me to do, brother? This is the thing. This is people who don't have playbooks, right? You're looking at every single pip that moves, and you're like, I want to take this, I want to take that, I want to take this, I want to take that. Calm down and just simply wait for your setups to occur, right? Understand yourselves and then wait for your setups. But you can't just be like, look at GJ. Oh shit, we moved 10 pips, we moved 20 pips. It's like, that's not how you should be trading. That's how you should be gambling. Right, Patrick? Like, I'm looking at gold. Don't get me wrong, but there's just nothing I'm doing here. Like, there's nothing that I'm gonna take, and I know I'm not gonna take anything because I need this 4 candle closer, and I need this first 15 to 4 candle close. Right? Right, Patrick? Yes. Yes, sir. You're done. What did you do before you became a full-time trader, and what did you know? When did you know it was the right time to take the leap? I was working. I was in school, and I became full-time when I realized that this is making me consistent income, and it's making more than my actual job at the moment. Which wasn't that much because I was a part-time worker. I was not full-time right then. But it made me enough for those consistent months. And I was like, you know what? Might as well try it out. Might as well go full-time, see how it works. And boom, boom, boom. I was comfortable. And that's it. What you don't want to do, though, is you don't want to quit your job hoping that Forex will change your life. Without any sort of, consistency or any sort of profits coming in and out on a regular. If like Forex isn't making more than your yearly income or your salary, then you shouldn't be quitting your job for it. Unless you're in a very comfortable state and you can, it's on you at the end of the day. But I'm not no financial advisor. I'm 21. I had no financial advisor, right? Man, I was watching a Warzone tournament yesterday. That was a crazy Warzone.
Solos?
Did you watch it?
Yeah.
Scump won the solos. I was so hyped.
I'm so happy.
We're gonna watch it right now.
The fact that he won and he's not even a Warzone pro, and then he won without a riot shield.
He beat Aiden to it.
And he had the most kills. Oh, he was hyped. This is a $100,000 game. That's crazy.
Yeah.
We're sitting here sweating over pips, and this dude just wins $100,000 in a gunfight.
This is Huskers right here. He killed Huskers.
No, they're all riot shielders too.
Yeah, and there are pros in that lobby. It's not like.
Bro, what a pistol! What a pistol! I mean, that's why he's the best, to be honest.
There's Aiden right here. He killed Aiden here. He stunned him and just.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Look at him.
Oh my god!
He's like, babe. But look at that lobby. Look at the names. It's just
it's all pros. All pros.
Yeah, it's 149 pros. That's crazy.
Biffles.
Oh my god! Holy shit!
No, because they had it. I think it was a 400k tournament. They had like a 500k tournament. They had a 400k tournament for like the teams, and then 100k for the solos.
What was the buy-in?
The fact
There's no buy-in. It's like it's what they do for community.
it's invite only.
Yeah, invitation only.
It's funny. He's like already a millionaire, but like winning like the Warzone because he's not a Warzone player.
Yeah,
he's just like a regular Call of Duty player. So he just wanted to beat all the Warzone players.
But he was yelling 100k, 100k.
Yeah. But I mean, you want 100k sitting at home. That's different than like a pro tournament. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it was one day too. It's not like I think there's no like practice
It's one
you guys
game.
do. It's just literally one game. There's no like tourney. But like it's not as sweaty as those COD like it's called colleagues.
The CDL.
CDLs,
That's like esports. That's different.
That's way more, than this. You ever consider being a guest on other streamers? I'm open to it, but I know how this industry works, man. This industry's just toxic, so like, I don't know. It's just toxic. You show love to someone else, they bite you right back. So I did that before. I made a mistake already in my early stages of streaming. I'm never doing it again. That's why I say no free promo. I'm not gonna. There's no one I'm gonna promote ever. Cause
what about me?
They bite you right back, man. What about you? I mean, unless you're part of DVS, then that's a different. That's a different thing. If you're part of DVS, that's all love. It's all love. Man.
Oh my god!
That's crazy.
Wait, are riot shields meta right now?
No. It was a tournament, and it had to be since it's all pros in that lobby. They knew that like the whole point of it was whoever comes first wins it, right? So they're not gonna go around chasing people and killing people. So that's why they sold the safest loadouts they can stick to.
I think the kills, whoever got the most kills was like a small prize, but like nowhere near 100K. So like everyone was just camping.
Okay, yeah.
What if they got bigger than your channel? Same shit, man. It's like this industry is toxic. It's like cool, it give me some viewers, but it's like it's not worth it long term. I don't know. I don't know. I'm open to it, but I gotta see, man. I gotta see the situation and all that. Chat, you understand? Like I don't stream chat, or I got like you guys probably tell. Like I don't stream for like viewers or like likes or subscribers and shit. I just stream because this is what I like doing, right? I like vibing out every morning with chat. That's about it. That's about it. How do they make money? Who pays them? Twitch. It was Twitch rivals, so it was a Twitch tournament. Twitch paid them.
I mean, they're getting so much money from ads.
Bro, 4G is nothing to them, bro. 4G is
that's
nothing.
like they're getting like hundreds of thousands of viewers, and they're running ads and sponsors. Like that's exactly, that's nothing.
Man, I feel really bad for that disrespect though. You see what happened? He was talking about it today. He's like, yeah, like I think he had offers from before the whole incident with Twitch. He had offers from like Disney and Nike and shit. But then after that, like, because if you search up Dr. Respect now, you see the whole thing about him being banned, and there's no reason to it. And every company out there is suspicious or sussed about it. He lost all his brand deals potentially with Nike and Disney and all these other Coca-Cola brands and shit. That's a lot of fucking money, bro.
Wait, we still don't know why Dr. Disrespect got banned?
No one knows.
Damn. Still, that's crazy.
He knows, but he's gonna sue them. He said because it's something that I guess wasn't really that crazy. Yeah, Don, how much did you pay for your stream? If you don't mind telling me, because I always want to know that. Nothing. Well, it pays me if I don't play music. I play music every stream. That's another, you know. Yeah, I don't care for like the money as well. I play whatever music, and I guess my payment is from Paul LeBerry every morning. That's my payment. No, but no, like before I started playing music on a stream, I was maybe getting like $12 per stream, something like that.
He pays the bills around here.
$12 per stream. Yeah. I mean, I don't care for the YouTube money. Maybe later though. If you get bigger, I will. But as of right now, it's like I'd rather play music and vibe out than just worry about $10 here and there every day. I'll stream, you know. No, this is like, what's the point? Vibing out brings more viewers than worrying about
facts
and playing like generic music, you know.
Facts. I say it like all the time, bro. Like it's a good time on stream, you know. Like you can show up here every day and it's just fun.
Exactly.
Oh man, chat, bro. 142. Come on. I don't get how I'm the only one who gets annoyed at that. 145. 145. Let's go.
You have OCD.
Yeah, like it just ugly. Like 143. Watch, and it's gonna go to 146. Just stop at 145. It's fine. Or it jumps like 147, and we're just in between again. Hey guys, how many ways are out there to make money online? There's probably like maybe like 2 ways. That's about it.
at least 2. maybe 3. That's it though.
Why do you only play?
On the weekends, there's 3.
I only know of OnlyFans. That's the only one I know of. Go ahead, Don. It's your stream. We're just, you know.
No, I don't care. I'm just reading chat. I was reading chat with you guys. That's it.
We out here shooting the shit.
we take turns reading chat. That's it. I got this question though. Why do you want to trade GJ and Gold? Because GJ and Gold. I like trading GJ and Gold because the pound yen at this time it's only being moved by the pound because yen's closed, right? And same thing with gold. Gold isn't moved by any other currency except for $1. So I only gotta focus on one currency basically. US and pound. Whereas if I trade like GU for example, I gotta work with the pound and the dollar in the same pair. Therefore, it's a bit more complex. But GJ and gold are both moved by one currency at this time.
Also, you can make infinite money from any single pair.
Yeah, then it's all the same.
Yeah.
I still haven't traded AUD NZD or something now. AUD NZD, man, if you trade that pair, you probably been at a point in your life or in your trading career where you're looking throughout all the charts, each and every pair to see if there's an opportunity, and you saw a nice swing trade opportunity for like a NZD USD for a weekly swing. Don't lie to me, you guys have done that. Look for a weekly swing, monthly swing trade on NZD USD, and you said to yourself, "I'm gonna hold this forever." Man, I've been there too, man.
I'm gonna be the king of NZD.
I've been there too, man. How come our friends paying the rent of OnlyFans? That's a W, man. Money from home.
Oh wow.
Why is music so quiet? Oh, that's why.
No. Week we flipped on gold.
What percent position size do you do for your trades? I risk 1 or 2% per trade. I'm thinking of starting a hot tub stream on Twitch. Yo, invite Marcos, man. He's all down for that.
Say what?
Did you ever trade NAS 100? Yes, I have.
NAS 100. I'm undefeated on NAS 100.
No, you are. I remember that day. Yo, it was so random. I go to the washroom. I come back. Yo, Don, I just traded NAS 100. I took a trade here. I'm like, what? Like, yeah, I won. Like, are you gonna trade again tomorrow? I was like, nope. I'm like, why? I was like, why? He goes, I don't know. I just tried it out.
That's called discipline right there. I got my 20 pips and I never looked at it again. Men like Reza would have been on that shit daily. men like Reza would have added it to his watch list.
And his for real.
Pin to the top. He's like, damn, breakthrough.
I think we got it, boys.
Like, why did I ever trade GJ?
I want to learn. I've been actually back testing like ETH and pretty much just ETH, but like doing our strategy on like the higher time frames. That shit didn't work. No. I need a larger sample size.
Be pretty good. I hadn't even thought about getting on my game since we started watching this. I can't believe.
Bro.
I got the same headsets. Why is this broken though? This guy kills me, bro. When you try to play a game around here, girl.
Now I just gotta turn it on. 1, 2, 3. Babe, let me tell you what happened at work yesterday. How? How? First of all, it's this girl named Jasmine. Oh, she be having the restroom smelling like straight old Polynesian sauce.
What the hell?
Seriously, it be smelling like straight shoulder pads in there. I thought my cough was gonna cover it up. And another thing, we had a cookout at the job. Tell me why she tried to cook turkey in the microwave. That's crazy. Like, you trying to give us all the Hershey squirts. We about to be boo-booing all day at work. Yeah, that's crazy, babe. But I'm gonna just let you play your game. I'm still sleepy. All right.
Bro.
Come on, man. They should have been in stock.
Yo, P-Smash still sold out, man. That's crazy. Everywhere. I think it's gonna make that forever, man. At this rate.
I don't know why they probably do that on purpose. Why don't they just up the production?
Nah, the resellers just taking over, man. They're not letting it sit. That's it. They're controlling the whole market for it, I think.
Yeah.
Buying every time. It restocks on Amazon. Even Costco sells out. Do you guys have friends in real life? Of course, brother. What?
Wait, what?
You guys have friends in real life? No, man. It's me in the markets, actually.
Oh, Doji on gold. 4-hour close.
I still don't have a PS5.
I don't have a PS4 yet.
GG 15-minute thoughts on range above 154.078.
Wait, 4-hour close. Check the 4-hour.
Oh yeah, 4 count closer. Chat. 154-100 is probably the closest you want above. You want a closure above here, man. For GJ here, above this resistance instead for buys. But with the 4 count closing bearish here, you expect the next 4 count now to drive down to fill that wick there like this, as long as it respects the previous 4 count low. But sells for me, you would need a range 2 breakout as we did close. Wait, did we close bullish or bearish? Oh, we closed bearish today.
No, we closed bearish.
Oh
bro.
yeah, we closed bearish. So yeah, I mean with the 4 count closing bearish here, you have a high chance that the next 4 count should drive down.
Flip here.
Yeah, once it flips here at the current top wick. So coming down towards your target is 153.848. So I mean there's that. I think sells would be valid though if you break below 153.830, coming down towards 154.560, 153.160. That range is like 25 pips, 26 pips. And then GJ, day shows that we're bullish. 4-hour shows that we closed doji. So I guess you could now block this candle out as, or gold, yeah, block this candle out as nothing happened. And say that as long as you respect the previous kind of high, which is up here, price should drop down towards the support here, towards 18.59 here. So sells are valid for me still. Sorry, sells if you get a range shoot breakout is valid for me, and that's gonna be below like 18.56 probably. Those are my sells I'm waiting for today if I'm looking for sells. But I think my day is chalk for the most part. I honestly don't think I'm taking any more trades for a day. Then I'll call that a day and move into tomorrow. I mean, back to back days where we caught a W on stream. 10 pips, 10 pips, 14 pips. So 34 pips, you know, so far this week. Pretty good. Other than that, man, that's my day. How about you guys? What do you guys gonna do?
I'm calling it. I have fair shit to do.
Yeah,
I ain't calling shit. I got trades to take. Got charts to look at. And then I got gym at 11.
Damn, so what do you do from here to 11?
From here to 11, I'm gonna finish eating the rest of this delicious pastrami and dry protein
Where's the
sandwich.
chopped cheese, bro? Loopy's in the chat. What up, bro?
Chopped cheese. I might make that, you know, for lunch today. I'll take some pictures. I got some nice grass-fed burgers.
My bad,
I've
bro.
been waiting to cook them bitches.
I'll be Reza. You gonna trade for a day? You done trading?
No, I'm done. I'm done.
Stop the cap.
Hey Reza. I'm playing at you.
Maybe.
You're right. In the Discord later.
Don't let him clown you. You're from the same hometown. Find him.
Yeah, I'll find you, Don.
Hey, he's gonna be in a Discord later, being like, "Hey guys, so I'm looking for a position here on DJ."
I ain't gonna lie.
Cap.
The cat.
I ain't gonna lie. When shit has volume, it's hard for me to get off the charts.
See?
Like,
Is gold moving? Oh yeah, gold's moving. You're fucked. GG's.
I'm about to blow my account, bro. You walk out here.
GG, sir.
Nah, we'll call it in the Discord.
Yes, sir. If there's a signal. All right, that man. What should we do now? I feel like I should actually. I have time to kill, but I mean, I'm hopping off, right? I mean, I'm not looking for trades. That's all I know.
You can stay. We don't mind.
Stay for what?
Word.
Nice for what?
Stay for what? This 15 candle? I mean,
No,
if I stay, I'm staying for fun, but for fun means that chat's gonna leave because I'm not taking any more positions. So, right? Right, chat? Let's see. Viewers are gonna start plummeting starting now. I'm not taking no more trades. The moment I say that every day, chat just goes, bye, Don. Peace out. That's what
Watch
they say.
like 50 more people show up.
They say, peace out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hop off chat. I'm gonna hop off, grab some food, make some eggs or something. I don't know.
What's good for you?
Yeah, something that's good for me. You know, I'm done with Tim Hortons.
What song was this?
American Boy, American Boy. All right, chat. Peace and love. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Have a great day. Have a great session. Over to Nova Leverage. Thanks for mods. Thanks for moderators. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. And have a safe trading day, man. Peace out, chat.
Thanks for hosting, Don.
Always, brother.
He said, hey sister, it's really, really nice to meet ya. I just met this 5'7" guy who's just my type. Like the way he's speaking, his confidence is peaking. Don't like his baggy jeans, but I'ma like what's underneath it. And no, I ain't been to MIA. I heard the Cali never rains and New York's wide awake. First let's see the West End, I'll show you to my bedroom. I'm liking this American boy, American boy. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy, American boy. Boy, can we get away this weekend? Take me to Broadway. Let's go shopping, maybe then we'll go to a cafe. Let's go on the subway. Take me to your hood. I've never been to Brooklyn and I'd like to see what's good. Dressed in all your fancy clothes, sneakers looking fresh to death. I'm loving no show toes. Walking that walk, talk that slick talk. I'm liking this American boy, American boy. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy. Tell him walk one block.
Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. Estelle once said, tell me cool down, down. Don't act a fool now, now. Always act a fool, ow, ow. Ain't nothing new now, now. He crazy, I know what you're thinking. Rapping, I know what you're drinking. Rap singer, chain blinger. Holla at the next chick soon as you're blinking. What's your persona about this Americana? rhymer. Am I shallow? Cause all my clothes designer. Dress smart like a London bloke. Before he speak, his suit be spoke. And you thought he was cute before. Look at this peacoat, tell me he's broke. And I know you ain't into all that. I heard your lyrics, I feel your spirit, but I still talk that cat ass. Cause a lot of wags wanna hear it. And I'm feeling like Mike at his baddest. Like the pips at they gladdest. And I know they love it, so they hit with all that rubbish.
Would you be mine?